running, laughing, dance. Can't believe this moment. I'm free. I'm free. Yeah. Look good, smell good.
Raj, happy birthday. This will be your first birthday and I'm so happy na mamimit mo lahat ng family ko, friends ko, and sana in the future, mawawatch mo to, alam ko, at magiging masaya ka din kasi me and your dad, we prepared this para sa'yo and sana magustuhan mo at maging masaya ka. And I know, bata ka pa, maliit ka pa, hindi mo pa to maiintindihan ngayon. Pero in the future, I know, pag napanood mo to, magiging masaya ka and I'm so proud kasi ikaw yung son ko.
Birthday, Socrates!
All night, yeah. We running like a limb band. You never ever leave me this moment. Come with me. I'm feeling good.
Happy birthday, Socrates! I'm praying na lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos at mabait sa mga magulang. I love you so much.
Place where I'm always feeling good.
Hi, Socrates! Happy first birthday! Siya bebe ni Mama. We love you always. You came into our lives unexpectedly, but we're so happy that you came. We love you so much. Happy first birthday! Enjoy!
Get better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling